Cartref I mi yw, what home is to me is the ability to exist in a place entirely as myself and feel comfortable and safe without any prejudice. Heddwch I mi yw, what peace is to me, again, is the ability to exist and to go places without the fear of judgment and hate and prejudice, and just simply being me wherever I am. For me to be part of this latest peace message is such an incredible honor. For the message as a whole, I think it's so important to share peace amongst so many different backgrounds, but especially as a trans woman, to be included in this space, it just means the world. I'm very grateful. Is that okay?
Hyfryd, da iawn.